Well, the S&P 500 hitting yet another record high on Monday. Stop me if you've heard that one before, but believe it or not, there are a lot of companies that are hitting 52-week lows. So, do you want to go bargain hunting with us? Are any of these names worth your hard-earned money? Welcome, everyone. Rich Ross with Evercore ISI, Eddy Elfenbein of the Crossing Wall Street blog joining us. Now, Eddie, any of these 52-week low stocks look like they are undeservedly being sold off and therefore are buys to you?
Absolutely. You know, a great way, just an easy way to, for maybe newer investors just to go bargain hunting is look at that list of the new lows, and that's a good way to find kind of diamonds in the rough. And another good way is look at the lows and look at strong dividends. So what really jumps out at me is Federal Realty. So it's dropped from about 170 to 125. Brian, this is a company that has increased its dividend every year for the last 49 years in a row. This is a company that's not going anywhere. It's not going broke. This is a good opportunity to add shares of Federal Realty.
Yeah, which I think is based in and around where you are. So you're going for
Absolutely.
And they own a mall near me, a Homer stock for you, Eddy Elfenbein. Rich Ross, I know because I snuck a peek at your notes that you think AutoZone?
Yeah, you know, Brian, look, I'm a trend follower by nature, so I like to buy strong stocks, typically in a strong tape like we're seeing with the S&P at an all-time high. But in this case, there's a very compelling opportunity here in AutoZone. As a firm, we have a very bullish $900 price target on it. Our world-class retail group thinks that this is rare to see this sort of top-line growth with both margin and ROIC expansion in an omni-channel retail world. But what I like about it, Brian, is the chart. And when we look at a very long-term chart, this is going to take us back all the way to 2000. So we're not going to make short-term trades on a long-term chart. But Brian, look at this stock. It's gone from 20 to 820, and now it's pulled back. But you've held that very long-term 50-month moving average. Brian, we haven't had a single monthly close below that level since 2001. So for my money, the trend and the chart are intact, and our fundamental analysts like the stock a lot. I think that's a winning combination to buy a great fundamental story on a compelling technical pullback.
Okay, we got a Federal Realty Trust, and we've got an AutoZone. It was short and sweet. Those names are on the record now, guys. We appreciate it. Eddie and Rich, thank you both very much. Folks, thank you for tuning in to Trading Nation. As always, we'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.